Alright, so welcome to the video. It is the morning. Don't know why I did that, I'm inside. But yeah, we're on our way to Lymouth and Lynton, or Lynton, Lynmouth car meet. And I want to take you with me. We're meeting up with them in the petrol station and then driving up there. It's about an hour, just over an hour drive. And yeah, I'll take you with me, show you around the cars, which will be there, and it'll be a good day. And I'm picking up my new car later. It's even better. Enjoy the video. We're leaving now. Got a lot of cars all meeting up at the petrol station. There's also a Dodge Viper and a other thick car, or cool car here. I forgot. American Muscle. But yeah, we're just leaving now. A lot of nice cars. And we will be there soon. At Lynmouth and Lynton. Alright, we're just pulling in now. Lamborghini Gallardo there. Got more cars behind. He just did some very fast. Oh my god, McLaren's in between us. There's too many nice cars. Some very fast driving on the twisty roads. Some stunning cars here we've seen on the way. Like proper supercars. You can see down there. Oh, Ferrari. Lovely. We're basically here now. Look at that cool water thing. But yeah, we're literally on the steepest hill you could possibly bloody imagine. It was terrifying. But yeah, we're here. Beautiful place. I just got our stickers and the tickets and stuff. Just pulling in now. Oh, is that Honda Renaissance? Nice. Plenty of stunning cars here. At the top, you've got the more supercars, and down here you've got like all types. But yeah, it's a really nice show. Took longer than expected. It's taking longer than expected again, but it's lovely around here. Got Porsche down here, and Alphas just going in now. Alright, we're here. A lot of nice cars. We're down at the bottom bit, so it's got like a mixture of cars. Performance cars, classic cars, all types. It's nice. Nice scenery.
Nice. Jeez, so much.
Yeah, that's nice. R8, V8. Yeah, it's such a nice place. The scenic views. Yeah, we came in the Porsche 718 came into my dad's, and up the top there is where all the supercars are and hypercars. Hey, look at this! The new dark horse Mustang. It looks stunning. Hey, look at this interior. Automatic. Look at that. It's beautiful. That. The old Porsche 911 Targa, TVR, Dodge Viper. These are a lot of like more classic cars, but stunning. You've got an RS Cosworth there. Oh, a Supra coming in. Could you imagine if you sat in there? Just trying to find a toilet. But there's a lot of nice cars just parked up randomly. Look at this. Beautiful. I'll have a look at supercars later. And trust me, they are special.
Hayden, I've only just noticed that.
Going on a long walk all the way up to the top of this humongous walk. Yeah, we've just come this far and I'm already out of breath. So it may not look steep on camera, but this is a very steep walk. There are some stunning girls up here, look at that. thinking, Aiden? Hey?
Bus driver and to the postman. And he ain't old enough to fucking bang fucking out of their pension or anything.
We're at the bottom bit again now. More cars showed up. The classics, sports, Porsches, all of them type. PVRs. Nice.
There's no
It's nice, civic type car. And these, like trap weapon loads.
Put me forwards on.
Alright, we're leaving now. I think we've left a bit early. Well, not early, but like earlier than we should. But everyone else did. Been a good show. A lot of nice cars. And it's nice. Alright, we're leaving now. They took 4:02, 2 minutes late, fucking stupid. But yeah, we're on an unbelievably steep hill. It doesn't seem like it on camera, but we're at a standstill on a very steep hill. Look how close they all get. We're literally surrounded by Ferraris that in front. We've got the brand new Ferrari, I forgot what it's called. Nice. And behind us, we've got a lineup of Ferraris. All brand new and stunning. Jeez. This is our very short. Alright, gotta film this.
Alright, your way.
Yeah.